So here guys, I'm going to show you the tools I end up using for this project. These are tools that you must have to make things a lot easier and make things to go smoothly for your 6 spark plug change. You gotta have some electric grease that help me get the new spark plug in there really easy, and it also helps, it makes it last a little bit longer too. You need a large wrench here with the socket. It's gonna help you get leverage for we're replacing old spark plug. Then you're gonna need a 10-inch extension bar, 6-inch, and I believe this is a 3-inch, 10 mil socket, 5/8. Where's the 5/8 extension socket? Plus, you also need a adapter here, 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. With these tools, and especially this important magnet, because I had the socket and the spark plug fall back down into the hole here. The 6-pound magnet really helped me. You want one that's flexible, because in the back, if it falls in the back socket with the flexible magnet, tool magnet, actually you can bend that in certain direction, you can grab it out. With this right tool, you can actually do this project probably under 1 hour, and if you've done spark plug changes before, I could say in half an hour. And I end up not taking the top off, because I know some video shows that you're supposed to take top, but I didn't end up doing that. It wasn't necessary. I'll show you here in a little bit. But other than that, it wasn't too bad. You know, good learning experience, and I figured I'd share with you, because these spark plugs did make a big difference after I put new ones in. These are the old ones you can see here. You can see how bad they are. They actually made the car drive a lot smoother, more torque, more more speed, more. It just felt a lot better. Even the transmission was improved, because now you're getting the right amount of torque and combustion energy, wherever that correlates with transmission, and make everything work together a lot smoother. So let's get started. I'll show you. I'm not going to show you the me taking out all 6. I'm going to show you one real quick, because I already swapped it out, all 6 of them. All right, first thing you want to do is take this lid off. You want to take this cap off of the oil. It's just pop right off. You can see here, get the pins that holds it in place. It pops right off. You want to put the cap back on. You don't want anything fall down in there. Okay, while you work on the spark plugs here. You come down here, you can see the 3 spark plugs. The 3 up front is really easy to do. You can take it off really simple. And then you got 3 back here. That's the one that's going to be a little bit more difficult, but you can do it. You don't have to take out all this. It's not necessary. I know some people shows that you have to take out all the engine compartment, but you don't need to do all that. Okay, so first thing you do is you take this, push this cap down, pop it off. Okay, you take a 10 millimeter socket. Just pop that in there, hold down, and just loosen it. Okay, once you loosen it, you take that off here. Let me show you here. I'm just going to show you one, to take off one here, because I already changed all these, so these guys, you gotta be careful you don't strip the bolt. Okay. Wear gloves so you don't cut yourself. And I have a headlamp on my head. I love working. When I work, I have it on because it helps me see really good. And you just pop that off. You see that? Yeah. You take the socket, Use a 10-inch extension bar here. Okay, and then your adapter. Let's go all the way down. You go counterclockwise. And that's the seat. You can see why you're supposed to have that 10-inch extension. Makes things easy. So you just got go counterclockwise, and then it comes right off. Now you don't want to do. Make sure you don't want to do it over cranking it. You might break it. That's all you gotta do. And then let me show you. And you want to use this dielectric grease and clean off the spark plug, spray it on before you put it on. That will help you get it started and you won't strip the spark plug. And then I also clean this off here and all that stuff, and then you just put it back on there. That's it. Really easy, really simple. Okay, put it down, goes all the way down. Okay, again, this has already been changed. Spark plug has already been changed. So the reason why I'm doing this video, because I watch a lot of videos, and I end up doing it my way, a lot easier. And I was able to get the ones in the back, not having to take out top compartment, the engine. Let's see. Okay, I just gotta. You don't want to over tighten everything, right? You want to hold this. And you can put, a little grease on these bolts if you want, but to help everything. Now, I'll tell you what, once I swap out all these, I could tell a difference in the shifting of the gears, the torque. The engine was a lot more efficient. So it's worth it. You take it to the shop, maybe they charge you $300 to $600, depending on the, where you go. Once you get that back on, the bolt, the connector, you can spray it a little bit with, if you want to, you can spray a little bit with dielectric grease here, help everything. You put it back on and just connect it here. Okay, make sure all the way on here. You hear it click. There it goes. Okay. Again, you got 1, 2, 3 in this one. This one's a little bit harder to get it, but you can pop this back out. You can pop this off here. Okay, and there's a bolt here. You'll get on this side here. It's a bolt here. This is also a 10 mil here. Let me show you. 10 mil, you stick in there and loosen that. And this whole thing comes off, and you have room to take that one out. So that one's not too bad too. Like I said, the top 3 are really easy. Really easy to take off. Now the back, I'm going to show you the back of how you use a step ladder. And get some pads, some knee pads, and you'll be all the way back here. But you're able to reach back here, and you'll be able to take it off. So you got 1 here, 2, 3. As you can see, I don't know if you can see there with the light, but there are 3 back there. 1, you see my hand, 2, and 3. And with the right tools, like I say, extension bars and everything, it's not bad. It's really easy to get out. Really simple. This is what I use for the back. And then once you get going, you take it off. And I had to use this magnet. The socket actually dropped down a couple times into the spark plug holder, and I use this as a 6-pound magnet. It actually helped. But as you can see here, you want a flexible one because I had to bend it this way to get it down there, and it actually worked really well. It was probably my favorite tool out of the whole project. But once you get it all figured out in the back, all the same, you do all 3 sections, and then that's it. It's really easy. You don't have to rip out the whole engine and everything. I know like some of the viewers showing you have to take out all the plugs and unloosen this and take this whole top part of the compartment out, and you have to do all the hassle and cleaning, and that's it. It's really easy, real simple.